say a word or a few about this decision by the World Governing Body of Athletics, the IAAF, to cut certain events as diamond events from the yearly Diamond League Series. Now, first of all, I fully understand the move to compress the presentation to make it a more attractive television package. And if it was not one event that got cut, it would be another. And in fairness, the decision was based on data-driven popularity research. And any athlete who got their event cut has the right to ball because it is affecting their earnings. One theory is that the IAAF should not cut any event, but should instead improve their marketing. But again, people must remember that in the wider scheme of things, track and field is not a massive global sport. Certainly, the rest of the world is not as locked in and as intense track and field enthusiasts as Jamaicans are. So this decision was not made to spite Jamaica or to sabotage Jamaican athletes. The truth be told, 8 or 10 years ago, if the IAAF had cut the triple jump and the discus and the steeplechase from the Diamond League, many Jamaicans would have said, happy riddance. But things and time change, and these are no medal events for Jamaica. So people are squealed. The one I can't understand though is the 200 meters. Why them cut the 200? The one there puzzle me. The 200 is so short. It's 20 seconds, one corner, and it's done. See the 200? See the 200? Done.